Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Eton Vance, and I have talked about this chart I think 2 months back, and since then the stock has already, as you can see, up by 70%. Now the thing is, I have talked about this earlier and I am going to reiterate probably the same thing now, because it is now prevalent on the chart that the stock has made a big breakout in the longer term time frame, and it is trading at its lifetime high on the chart, which means that for this stock the new upside or the new bull trend has already begun. So let's just discuss about that. Also, what are going to be the next big trends for this particular stock? That's what we are going to look at. But before that, so as you can see, the stock has been inside a consolidation for more than 12 or 13 plus years. So it is not only a lifetime high but a breakout after a very big, a decade long consolidation, a more than a decade long consolidation, which means that this is the starting of a big uptrend. Okay, do not simply put any number, which means that do not put any numbers in sense of targets or in sense of in terms of number, in terms of targets or in terms of number that is going to stay for 2 years or 3 years. No, because with this kind of breakout, it means when I'm saying, or when the trend breaks out like this, obviously it's a start of a fresh bull trend. So let's start. First of all, these two levels, now all this become your support levels. Your first support will come at $62 and your next support will come at $52. So one need to make sure that the stock must not fall below $51. It can retrace a bit, that's also always a probability. So you have your first support at 62, then you have 51.92, because if the stock falls below 51.92, then you have your next support at 44, then you have 26, you have 23, and probably you have 20 on the at the lower end of the range. So all these downside levels will open up if the stock falls below 50. So that's the most important thing you need to look at. Now, because it has already made a breakout and it is trading at a new lifetime high with a very sharp movement, so obviously the thing which we are going to look at is the next big target. Now, as I've told you that we are not going to put any numbers in terms of years or in terms of target, but the thing is, those who are watching the video, they always skeptical about those two things, that how much profit I'm going to make, how much or how long this uptrend sustain. So I'm not good at timing the market. Okay, I don't know who will tell you about the exact timing that in at X amount of time the stock could probably go to this level or that level. That's a probability, but I don't know how exactly one can probably tell you about that. But for the sake of probability, in terms of target, what we can do here, and this is not the end. Okay, which means that the target or the probable target which I'm going to tell you is just for the sake of defining the next number that we are going to look for in the longer term time frame. Okay, so as you can see, if I just measure up the consolidation, it's worth 199% from the lower toward the higher end of the range. So as the breakout happened, at least the same we can expect on the upside, which means that the next big target on the upside, okay, Next big target on the upside uh, will be or near to $185. Okay, we are just going to replicate the previous return, and as I'm saying again and again, this is just or this will going to be one milestone, but this is not the end. Okay, because if I squeeze the chart, you will see here that the stock has started its upside from since 1980 till 2017 2007, beg your pardon, 2007. And in between 19 I mean 20 or 30 odd years, as you can see, once 10 100,000 10,000, so the stock has already given 123,100,000%. So if the stock is consolidating for 12 13 years, so it doesn't bother for those. It's they are not going to complain who has purchased this stock in 1980s or 1990s. It is just a consolidation for them. If you have purchased the stock after 2007, obviously you are the one who will say that I've just made some profits. So if you're looking at the overall trend, it's just a consolidation, and it's a breakout after such long consolidation, which means the next trend is going to be a big one. It's going to be for long term. How long? So there is no number, but at least 3 to 5 years or more. At least 3 to 5 years or more. So do not simply think that it's going to sustain for 1 week, or it's going to up by 5,000% in couple of trading session, and that's it. So it is not available in the overall chart, and it's not going to be the same case, at least for this stock. So be mindful of that, and this is indeed a big trend that we are going to see. And if you can hold for long, but one more thing is left, that always understand your support and resistance and trail your stop losses irrespective of how strong the trend is. One always keep their safe bet on the table, and do not simply leave everything open ended. So that's the thing. And if you can hold with the trend for long, there are much more higher levels which are yet to be reached. And as I told you, this number of $185 is just one milestone, but this is not going to be the end. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.